In today's video, you will be seeing me do a top knot bun, and I will also be a little bit chatty on the rebranding of my channel. If you're interested in seeing how all of this came together, because it surely is heck, then I'll start off like this. So go ahead and continue to watch the video. Thanks. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is ShunaB, formerly known as the Fur Persona. I decided to rebrand my channel just to encourage more growth. I've been on YouTube for 2018. This will be 4 years, and the growth has not been that great. I know I could do better, so I decided to rebrand. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, I really appreciate you still hanging around with me. Definitely appreciate it. And what you'll see me doing is just a top knot bun in today's video with some faux bangs. I did not use any glue to put the bangs on, so if you're interested, definitely hang around. But I generally just had to put me first. You know, it's exhausting out here in today's society, today's world. It's completely just weird. I don't know about you, but I feel definitely out of place. I feel like I don't belong here in this particular stage of the world. I feel like I should be still kind of living in 2000, the 99s and the 2000s. I will say that. Yes, crime was going on, stuff was happening, but we did not know about it like we know about it today. And the mental state that it's putting a lot of people in, like every time you turn on the news, there's something horrible that has occurred. There's rarely any great news. Everything is 100% disheartening and 1,000% negative. I'm sick of it. I'm over it. And I'm ready to move out of the United States of America. I'm honestly contemplating on moving to either Canada, the United Kingdom, or further out. I wish I could buy an island and have all my essentials and my necessities that I need there, and just take me and whoever else wanted to come to just get away from it all. So I just had to get that out, but I've been taking a back seat on a lot of things, just not saying anything, just watching. I am very vocal across, I was very vocal, I should say, across my Facebook. That was really not an open page, kind of like friends only. I had to take a step back from that because I just get into it and I argue with people and their stupidity and their ignorance, and it's just highly draining. So that's why I decided to kind of sit back and decided to just rebrand and start over and see where this takes me. I'm very, very interested in growing my channel, continue to working on my channel. This is a marathon, not a sprint. And I'm going to be posting some weeklies, like I'm deciding to do like a makeup Monday because I still love my makeup. I'm getting back into it since my skin has cleared up quite a bit. And I'm also be talking about just things I do to maintain like on a day-to-day motherhood type things like that. Just dedicate a few days. So I will try to put that in the description box and keep up with it as well. So makeup Mondays. I wrote it all down, so just check the description box or my about on my channel. I think that's where I will put it. So some new things will be coming forward for the summer and going forward, so definitely stay tuned. Share my channel, like my channel, comment more. That's one main goal. I want more comments, more engagement, more interaction. Because if YouTube don't see that, they figure out nobody cares about this video because nobody's doing anything. There's zero engagement, like a point something percent engagement. I am proud of my progress. I appreciate everything, but it's just time to do something different. Change is good, change is scary. I'm not afraid of risk. Sometimes, you just have to put it all out there and see what happens. That is what has gotten me as far in life as I am, taking those risks and not being afraid to do things. I'm still going to remain semi-private because the world doesn't need to know everything about you. You got to hold on to some of your sanity, because the more people know, the more damage can be done. So be careful what you put out there, because it's going to be timestamp saved in somebody's little flash drive forever. But yeah, thanks for hanging in there with me and being, or your dedication, I should say. So ShunaB will be checking out, and keep up with your girl. I'm not going to let you down this creativity. I got a lot of videos that I need to edit, about 40 or 50 videos that I've been just recording content, but I'm a working mom, working wife. So yeah, that's the part I'm trying to balance out right now. Peace out. See you in the next upload. Bye.